Asokore Mampong. Asokore Mampong is the capital of the Asokore Mampong Municipal Assembly, a district in the Ashanti Region of Ghana. Popularly known for Kumasi Academy, a senior high school, and the SSNIT affordable housing projects. The chief of Asokore Mampong is Nana Boakye-Ansah Debrah. Geography. Boundaries. The town is bordered on the north by Parkoso and Nesium, to the west by Siktinpamu and Adanesi, to the east by Insini Kentinkranu, and to the south by Ayagia. Location. Asokore Mampong is 10 kilometers from the center of Kumasi. Asokore Mampong is a dormitory town. Education. Asokore Mampong is known for Kumasi Academy, a second-cycle institution located there. Apart from being a residential area for workers in various companies in Kumasi, many hostels are available to serve the students from the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology NUST. Healthcare. The Garden City Hospital, Academy Clinic and Legacy Hospitals are located in Asokore Mampong. Notable places. The affordable housing project has a huge site in the area for its buildings. There are two additional notable places. The Osai Tutu Nyankizi and Akamfo Anakai Sword are located in the town. The Asokore Mampong Palace is a huge and well-designed edifice located in the center of the town. The palace sits on a 4-acre lot. It was designed and built by the chief of the town, Nana Boakye-Ansah Debrah.